Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get right into it. We're finna do the market update once again. It's the first week of the year, and again, this is from my perspective. This is my opinion. As always, I may be wrong, maybe you're right. So let's get into it, man. From a technical perspective, we're gonna start off with Bitcoin. We're gonna go through multiple different assets. So from on the weekly, a lot of consolidation. This thing's not really going anywhere. Going, up and down for the past few weeks, not really making any major breakouts in price. But that's on a higher time frame. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the daily. Now, from a daily perspective, I'm seeing some bullishness coming up out of here. Okay, and I got this highlighted here, blue. Let's go back to the weekly because to me, this candle, this one candle is a bearish engulfer. This candle fully engulfs the previous candle. So this is typically traders we sell off because of stuff like this. All right. Again, let's go back to the smaller time frame for more detail. Uh, but as of right now, I'm seeing some bullish pressure. I see a very nice bullish engulfer right here. I see this bearish engulfer has been blown. We've poked through it. However, let's draw on this. Mm. So they've been poking through this area, but they have not closed above this area. Okay. So what that typically means is, yeah, they might want to push back down, and I think they might want to come back down and come test this area right here. Uh, and this is very tight. This is real tight. There's not a lot of movement. So you're definitely gonna have to go down to even smaller time frames to find decent entries, and that's if you're trading Bitcoin. It's not a lot of people that are like retail people that are trading Bitcoin. Most people are buying this stuff and just hoping it goes to the moon type shit. So let's go down a little more detail. I love the 23-hour. All right, so it's 5 hours left in this candle. If this candle closes bearish, that'll be a bearish engulfer. Uh, And typically, like I said, that's just meaning people are going to sell off around this point. I kind of want to push it down. And you see these EMAs down here lining up. It's very pretty area right here. You even got, I got this trend line coming up. This is lower on a lower level, but as you can see, this is a trend that's being created as we speak right now to the upside. I try not to have too many trend lines. It's not really my thing, but you can't deny it when you see it. All right, get that out of there real quick. Let's go down to say a 4 hour. All right, even deeper here. And I say this last push up is because of this pattern here. This is your drop, base, rally, and price. Price pushes down, they come back to the base, they shoot up. All right, you could have had an entry here, stop loss below here, and be in this move. All right. And again, there's trend lines all over the place. Some traders will say, hey, this is a trend here, right? And they're gonna say, hey, if we break this, I'm selling off. But if this keeps holding, then they'll just buy it. Every time price comes touch it, they'll buy it and keep pushing it up. Let's go back to that 23-hour chart. First real area of supply to me is this. All right, this thing right here. If I go to a line chart, you got your little notch. These notches usually, things happen around them, as you can see. Let's make that one actually red. Okay. And then you have this bearish engulfer here. All right. So I'd say possible play out right now. Possible. Where's that? Where is that arrow? So, or better yet, I don't use this one. Let's try this real quick. So let's say maybe you come here, push up, and it probably won't be straight. Boom, they come retest, push up, hit this area. Maybe they sell off. Possibly. Maybe that sell off is only a little bit, just to the last area of resistance, and maybe it pushes even higher. Okay, these are just possibilities, possible scenarios. Also, this thing could just blow through this entire zone right here and keep on coming down. Okay, we have untouched zones uh, down this way.